My name's Ram McCracken. I'm the founder of McCracken's Brewery and Distillery based here in Northern Ireland. We've been working now with Betty and Tonsen for the last 5 or so years. They've been fantastic throughout. Aftercare service, brilliant. They were with us every step of the way, designing the product, designing, you can see behind me, the still designing our whole brew house. The stuff came as promised on time, easy to put together. Really, any issues there's been afterwards been quickly resolved, any snagging, would really recommend them. And if you're looking to get into brewing or looking to upgrade, really would recommend going with Tonsen.